Hi there, I'm Chris Salatino, President of Belshaw. We're excited to invite you to join us at the IBIE show in Las Vegas. Belshaw has been proudly engineering and manufacturing donut and baking equipment in the United States for over 100 years. With our unmatched experience and expertise, we are proud to say we are the leading supplier of donut equipment throughout the world. At Belshaw, we understand the intricacies of your bakery operations, from small retail shops to large-scale central manufacturing locations. We are able to leverage our deep industry knowledge and operational expertise to develop custom solutions to meet your unique production needs. This year, we are excited to launch our largest industrial production system, aptly named the 1300. Integrating a fryer, proofer, and depositor, this system is capable of producing up to 1,300 dozen donuts per hour. Paired with our newest inline shortening filtration system, our engineering and manufacturing teams deliver an all-inclusive solution for your industrial donut frying needs that will reduce labor costs, consistently deliver high-quality donuts, while also eliminating your need for high-volume, mobile filtering solutions. Each component of the system is perfectly synchronized and designed for efficiency, safety, and reliability. In addition to the launch of our 1300 system, you will also notice enhancements to our entire retail portfolio. Our engineering team have redesigned our open kettle, donut robot fryers, and insider systems to make them more efficient, reliable, intuitive, and user-friendly, ultimately helping you lower operating costs. Come visit us during IBIE at booth 3025 and take the first step in creating a lifelong partnership with our world-class team who are dedicated to the success of your bakery. Their expert insights and knowledge weave together Belshaw's 100 years of experience and today's technology to meet all of your bakery needs. We can't wait to see you in Vegas.